Maybe you've seen a tutorial that creates this button, and you have done that as well, but in your case you want to have the button differently. You want it rotated, and then, well, this happens. It doesn't work. Let's take a look at that. Hello and welcome to the Vector Garden, and in this video we're going to look at how to build this and how to rotate it, of course. First of all, I'm going to undo that. And let's first of all build this. So we're going to the appearance panel first, and I'm also turning this on so that when I now create a new text, that we then get a simple appearance. So just this text, and I'm going to make it black. And then let's build this. To build the button, you select this with the selection tool, and then in the appearance panel, you first need to create a new fill, like this. You see, there are the characters, which are the letters, the text you have written, and then we have the new fill, which is on top of it. I'm going to select the gradient for it. Now, this still has the shape of the original text. To get the button shape, we will need to apply an effect. So, effect, convert to shape, rounded rectangle, like this. And then, of course, this needs to be set to relative so that it adjusts to the text length. And then we adjust the extra width and height this has, and of course, the radius. But now it hides the text. That is because we have the characters here and the fill up here. So move that below. And then the stacking order is correct. And then we can highlight this, go to the gradient tool, and first of all, adjust that gradient. So that's nice. Now we need that edge, that light edge. And for that, we're going to add another fill. So I'm going to highlight this and just hit the plus button. But this now is a rectangle as well. So we need to get rid of that. And also we're going to apply a different color to it. But now we need to have it as that light edge. And to get that, we are going to apply a transform effect to it, like that. And just enter a low value, but it needs to be minus, and that one as well. The value itself depends on the size of your objects, so it might be different for you. Like this. So now we have this. And now when we rotate this, you see that second fill rotates, but what's with this one? It is always built in exact horizontal or vertical direction, and it doesn't matter if that original text is angled. How can we get out of here? That is only possible if we apply the rotation differently. So I'm going up here and select that text object. And now in order for that to work, you need to apply the rotation as an effect as well. So we're going to apply effect, transform, which is the same as this, like that. And then just rotate it, like this. So, and you see it has been applied down here. That has happened because it happens automatically when you have the object selected, which I did by clicking here. And that's why it has been applied down here. If it doesn't get applied down there, then you can also just move it there. And you can edit that effect and then give it a different rotation. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and tell your friends about it. I've got more tips like these.